Is data validation a matter of botheration for you? Maybe no longer after you watch this video. Select the cell range with the pass or fail or pending status needs to be updated. After that, go to the data tab. You can see data validation option here. Click on it. A data validation box shall appear in which you have to tap on the allow drop down list. You can see the various options available. Let's consider list for instance. And as for the source, it would be pass, fail, pending, where pending can mean that the outcome is yet to be finalized. To your additional information, you can customize input message or error alerts too. Automatically, you will witness a drop-down list. Pass, fail, pending has appeared accordingly. For an example, let's put it as pass for Rohan, fail for Aisha, pending for Kavita. Now, keeping Siddharth in mind, I'll show you what will happen if you type the same result, the same word in fact, which you want to. However, it is something which is not present in the radius of the drop-down list. I have typed fail in small letters, and as you see, it's not being accepted. This value doesn't match the data validation restrictions defined for the cell. Thus, we will erase this and add it to the drop-down list given. If in case you want to add your own column, you can repeat the same process which I showed you earlier in this video. This is one scenario of data validation.
Another example where we have to choose start and end time of workshop. First, we will select the start and end time columns. Go to data type and click on data validation to get a pop-up box. In the pop-up box, allow time, and for start time, type 7 a.m. and for end time, type 11 p.m. as employees will have to choose between the specified time period. For input message, for the title, type instructions, and for the input message, type please enter a time between 7 a.m. and 11 p.m. as employees will not be able to choose a time beyond the specified time period. Now, coming to the error alert, which will be displayed if an employee writes a time beyond the time period. For the style, we shall choose stop, and for the title, we should write wrong time, as this will be displayed on the screen if a wrong time is entered. And the wrong time is whenever the time period is beyond 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. Now click on OK. Here we find the instruction displayed in the columns start time and end time so that employees are clear with what to do. Employees can enter any time from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. provided it is in the right format. Now, if you enter a time that is beyond the time period, the warning message will be shown on your screen. Here we can see that an employee is trying to write 11:30 p.m. which is beyond the time period, and the error message is shown. Hence, we will have to enter timing that is within the time period.